This is a park in the downtown, right in the downtown. So I will go from a quiet place. It's more quieter, away from the works. You know, the people are working out there. They just cut the grass. They just cut the grass. There's a cat and crow. Crow just actually went to the water site. It looks amazing. Look at the color. So nice. Yeah, let's keep on walking this way. This is so nice. Walk like that. This time I'm not sailing, I'm just sailing on the land, sailing in a park, and I will go right after this main street. I will walk down, all the way down to the seaside. This is where the sea is. Actually, it's not an ocean. It is not an ocean. Anyway, I'm walking like that. And it's so good. On a quiet day, why not? There should be one exit door. Probably right there, yeah. The exit door is right there. So I'm gonna exit from the park, and then I will reach to the main street. You will see the cars right now. Very soon, actually. Well, let me show you. They dig this soil to put this plantation, these flowers, I guess. Yeah, there are going to be a lot of flowers soon. There will be a lot of flowers soon. Yeah, this is nice, green park. And you see a lot of benches like that, this one, that one, and everywhere. They're full of benches. Actually, in hot days, the people are really sitting in there and relaxing, you know. Today, it's not very hot, so majority of them are empty. The only playgrounds are full because of the kids. And I think this week, oh, there's no cars there. I think there's a red light. That's why I have to cross early. I think I'm late. Yes, I'm late. Look. Yeah, the cars just came. I think traffic light turned it green over there, so the cars just started to come here. This is the street, main street. So I need to find a passage to walk down to the sea. Anyway, it doesn't matter where you walk. You know, you can walk from there or here. All the roads goes to the seaside. All the streets, I mean, small streets, goes to the seaside. This is another entrance of the park. Yeah, this is the other entrance of the park. And the downtown is all over there. You can see from the big buildings. This is so nice. Yeah, if you are living in a metropolitan city, you know, you have to used to know where you can walk. Okay, there are a lot of cars now. I think oh no, still on the walk. Yeah, you can see there on this side of the sea. Now I can be ready for passing this street. Yes, I'm just doing it. I'm just passing the street right now, so that I will make a left from somewhere to go down. And there's a school, a big school right here, a big school, and I will walk right this way, and then I will make a left from somewhere. I don't know where can I cross, but I have to find a way. I'll see. I'm just walking this way. Yeah. Let's see where can we walk. There are a lot of shops. This is a furniture shop. Art of furniture. And buildings, big buildings. You see in that side, there are some big buildings. Of course. And another shop right here. They say dream home. Yeah, it's a dream home parking lot. This is dream home parking lot. I'm still walking, huh? Yeah, still walking. And the cars, of course. There are a lot of cars. Traffic because it's the rush day, rush hour. Yeah, I found a place to go down. I will walk from this way. I think I can figure out a way to go actually from this side. I'm going to walk down from this store. Oh my god, look at this, it's so nice. So nice. Yeah, maybe from here. I hope from here. That's right, this is the place. In the old end of the street, I will be on the seaside. And by the way, let me check, I have 20 minutes for the live stream. I'm gonna go and make a live stream soon. That's why I'm just trying. Oh. Yeah. So it's gonna be there, down there. They're walking toward the sea, and a lot of ivies here on the walls of the houses. A lot of ivies. So cool. And this is a very quiet street because there's no car entrance. A big garage they have, and the rest of the street is like this. And here's a cat. Yeah. See that there's a lot of ivies on the walls, and of course graffitis on the walls, like it was on all big cities. Right here, we just reached the sea. Oh yeah, super nice. We are here now. Let's see the rest, okay? Now we're gonna walk. Oh, so cool. We are not very far. And this is the place. And here is the seagull, because when you get closer to the sea, there will be a lot of seagulls like that. You know, you have to get used to see people walking by themselves and people walking with the dogs, or just dogs alone by themselves are still walking. And right here, the seagulls here on the land and in the sea. You see, in the sea. And this is the empty beach. This is the empty beach during the winter, and there's a girl making a love story. She's just drawing a heart to send her lover by the phone. And there are some picturing people, and there are some free dogs. You see, they are just looking for the others, and the other dogs are right here. Yeah, so cool. Actually, this is a bike way, but there's sometimes there are cars of the municipality. The other, usually people are walking in this road. Oh look, the dogs are playing so nice over there. This is so nice view. It's a beautiful view. Ah, come on. There it is. And that side, of course, green and walking road. I don't know how much time it has been. Let me check. It's 17 minutes already. This is the entrance of the beach. Now when we go this way, this is actually a club during the summer, but still people are walking on here, swimming. And then this is the land. Oh my god, very nice view.